All right, the next piece that you're going to have to do if you're wanting to do this at home is to get the Libgdx installer. So in Google, just go ahead and type just Libgdx. And the first pop-up that comes up, we can go ahead and click that. Libgdx, there's a lot of different ways that we can use this, but we're really just using this for 2D games. So it allows us for cross-platform, so we could use this for encompassing a lot of other projects, not just Android, even though we're doing it in Android Studio. So let's go ahead and go to the download. And once we're there, we need to download the setup app. You don't want to download anything else. We will probably end up downloading some tools later on, but for right now, we're just going to do the download the setup app. This file, we're going to want to put it somewhere where we can access it, because we're going to use it every time we are going to end up creating a new game. So after you have walked through this entire step for Computer Programming 4, then you could go ahead and use this and test out other game ideas and start working through this. You would use this GDX setup jar file. This will allow you to always be most up to date on what you need. So go ahead and click Save File. And again, you need to look in your Downloads folder. Once you get it, this is your setup file. So if we went ahead and opened it up, this is what we get. So this is our Libgdx project setup that we need to use to set up our game. So I will have other videos walking through, but this will basically create and set up everything that we need in Android Studio for us to do our game. So we'll be using a number of these components, the tools, the AI, the Box 2D. We're going to use Ashley. We'll also download Box 2D Lite, but we're not going to get to that in the class. And then we're going to create it for Android. We could also do it for desktop. iOS, it is on there. It will help to convert the code, but I'm not teaching you for iPhone, nor am I going to teach you for Windows either. So we're just doing specifically for Java. So this is basically what we need. So we need to have that accessible. So we would want to go to our downloads, locate that folder, the GDX setup. This is the jar file. We're going to need to move it onto a folder where you can easily access it whenever you want it. So any assets that you pull, there are a lot of assets that I can show you guys. You want to have like an asset folder. This is where you want to put that GDX setup guide. All right.